Now part 3, 7x upon 8 plus 3 is equals to 9x upon 10. Now here we have, in this question we have two terms on the right hand side and one term on the left hand side. So we just write the question as it is, and first we have to solve this side. And here we have 7x upon 8 plus 3. There is no number, which means there is 1 as a denominator under every number. So now first we have to find the LCM of 8 and 1, the LCM of the denominators. So 7x upon 8 plus 3 upon 1 is equals to 9x upon 10. First we find the LCM of 8 and 1, and the LCM of 8 and 1 is also 8. You can find the LCM. Now here we have 8, which means that we multiply this 8 by 1 and we multiply this one by 8 by 1 and this one by 8. So we got the answer of the LCM. So we have to multiply 7x by 1 and 3 by 8 also. So we just multiply 7x multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by 8 is equals to 9x upon 10. Now 7x plus 3 8s are 24 upon 8 is equals to 9x upon 10. Now we have two terms on both sides. Now we just do the cross multiplication as we do in our previous question. So just multiply 7x plus 24 by 10 and 9x by 8. So 7 multiplied by 10 is 70x plus 10 multiplied by 24 is 240 is equals to 8 9s are 72x. Now just write the like terms together. So 70x, here we have 72x but a positive, and when we transpose it, it will become negative. So 70x minus 72x is equals to minus 240, because here we have positive 240. Now minus 70x minus 72x, we got minus 2x is equals to minus 240, and x is equals to minus 240 divided by minus 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 0, and we cancel out minus with minus. So the answer is 120. Now part 4. 7x minus 4 upon 15 plus x minus 1 upon 3 is equals to 3x minus 1 upon 5 minus 7x 7 plus x upon 10. In this question, first we have to solve the both sides, as we have two terms on both sides. So we just write the question as it is, and first we solve the fraction of the right hand side and then we solve the fraction of the left hand side. So we have 15 and 3. We have number in the denominator, so we have to find their LCM, and their LCM is 15, which means that we multiply 15 by 1, we multiply 3 by 5 to get the answer of the LCM. Similarly, here we have 5 and 10 and the LCM is 10. So we just multiply 5 by 1, 5 by 2 and 10 by 1 to get the answer of the LCM. Now we have to multiply the numerator by the numbers 2. So 1 multiplied by 7x minus 4 plus 5 multiplied by x minus 1. Similarly, on the right hand side, 2 multiplied by 3x minus 1 and 1 multiplied by 7 plus x. In the next step, we just solve the equation. We just solve the expressions, numerators. So 7x minus 4 multiplied by 1, 7x minus 4 plus 5x multiplied by x, 5x plus minus minus, 5 ones are 5 upon 15 is equals to 2 3s are 6x plus minus minus, 2 ones are 2, minus plus minus 7 minus plus minus x. Now in next step we just write the like terms of both sides of the numerators. So 7x plus 5x minus 4 minus 5 upon 15 is equals to 6x minus x minus 2 minus 7 upon 10. So 7x plus 5x, 12x, and minus plus 4 plus 5 minus 9, because 5 has negative sign, upon 15 is equals to 6x minus x, 5x, and minus, so we just add 7 plus 2, we got minus 9 upon 10. Now we have two terms on both sides, so we just do the cross multiplication, and in cross multiplication we multiply 12x minus 9 by 10 and 5x minus 9 by 15. So 10 multiplied by 12, 120x, plus minus 10 9s are 90 is equals to 15 multiplied by 5, 75x, plus minus 15 9s are 135. Let's write the like terms together. 120, here we have positive 70x, and now after transpose it will become minus 75x is equals to minus 135 plus minus 90 will become plus 90. So 45x is equals to minus 45, and x is equals to minus 45 upon 45, and 45 ones are 45, 45 ones are 45, so we got the answer minus 1. Now the question number 2 of this exercise is a word problem. When 25 is added to a number and the result is half, the answer is 3 times the original number. What is the number? So let's start. Let x be the required number. The number which we have to find, we suppose it x. According to the given condition, 25 is added to a number. 25 is added to a number 25 plus x, and the result is half. So the result which we get after add 25 plus x is half, or we can write it as 25 plus x upon 2. The second condition is that answer is 3 times the original number. When we add 25 into a number, the result is half, which means half of 25 plus x, and the answer which we got is 3 times the original number, which means that we have to find the value of x. So this is the equation which I have made for you, and I want all of you to solve this equation in your notebooks, in your register as your homework task. So I hope you all have understood this video. Jazakallah.